every time I make a video, my hair is wet. I don't shower 24/7. It's just that it's always around that time. I totally forgot to put my moisturizer on my face right now, and my skin is dry as hell. I use the CeraVe line for my face, and my skin right now is dry, like annoyingly dry. Anyways, today is Christmas Eve, and I am totally over Christmas. I think my husband is dying in the background. And I'm hammed out. I literally cannot eat any more Christmas food. I'm done. So I got, this is actually a holiday food in Mexico, is tamales. So I love Mexican food. I love Mexican culture. You name it, I'm there for it. I'm here for it. I will be right back, you guys. I really gotta put moisturizer on my face. My skin is really dry. It hurts. I'll be right back. Okay, we're good. If I don't put moisturizer on after using the CeraVe line, my skin and my face is like, and it just gets like really dry and it's horrible. Let's see if I can't go any lower. Nope, I can't. So anyways, I'm having me some tamales. I'm having me some shrimp tacos, and I kind of just made them the way I want. They're nothing like super special tacos. They're just like shrimp tacos with cheese, and then I put some of the Mexican corn Cheetos on top, and then I got myself a cold pop. I'm just kidding. This is a Orange Crush. So, yo. I'm gonna try one of these tamales first because why not? I wish my computer would stop acting like a jerk. It won't stop turning off. So I have to put it on the main page, because if I don't, it's just gonna keep turning off. So you're staring at Trigger the Park Boys right now. Ricky, Julia, Bubbles. If you know, you know. If you don't, whatever. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was done with the ham and stuff. I was like, no, I'm done. I can do it for like one day. After that, I'm done. You can see the shrimpy and the Cheetos and everything in there. I'll put my hair back. Right back. Again. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, some video this is. I don't like my hair down when I'm eating. It's gross. Okay. That's good. That is good. It's the Mexican, I don't have the bag with me, it's downstairs, but it's the Mexican street corn Cheetos. They're my all-time favorite. I love them. I found them last summer and I was hooked instantly. I take and put them in stuff. I like their bolitas too. Those are really good, but I haven't found the bolitas. I don't know where they went, but my son found those. Me and my son are like Mexican food lovers. We're the only ones in the house. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The one thing I wanted to mention, some idiot in our neighborhood decided that it was a cool thing to go around and rip cable wires out of the ground and internet wires. So we lost our internet Friday, and then Saturday morning today. So I don't know how long it's going to be when this video is actually uploaded. My internet is really slow right now. It could be days, but this video was made on December 24th of 2023. I don't know when it's going to be uploaded. It might not be uploaded until like December 27th or whatever. But, yeah, there's some stupid people out there and they thought it was funny. So we haven't had internet in 3 days. It sucks. Happened right as my kids went on Christmas break. They're home for 2 weeks. Absolutely nothing to do. Me and my husband have been like trying to find things for them to do, like old school in it, bringing out the Nintendo. It's been nice in some aspects because they've had to spend more time with me and my husband. Like, we do stuff together. They've been like watching, you know, Christmas movies with us and stuff like that, and so that's been nice. Stupid computer. But the bad part is like there's too much together time, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like, okay. So we're just kind of like, so the Comcast tax not coming out until obviously the day after Christmas because they're closed. Oh yeah. Tacos for Christmas, highly recommended. We're not really celebrating Christmas right now, even though Christmas is nationally tomorrow. Me and my family are not celebrating tomorrow. We're celebrating it on either Friday or Wednesday. It just, Bobos, copies. It just works out better for our family. This is totally draining my sinuses right now. Oh, it's because it's a little hot, but that's okay. But nationally tomorrow, it's in the United States, it's Christmas. My husband makes fun of how I make my flour tortillas. He actually hates it. He's not really a fan of Mexican food. He never really has been. I take my flour tortillas and I put them on my my burner. And I've done this like as long as I've been cooking. I actually just lied. No, I have not. I started doing the flour tortillas on the burner about, I want to say about 2 or 3 years ago. I started doing it. I actually learned it from a friend of mine, and I was like, dude, that makes sense, because it's just your flour tortillas taste better when they're under fire. It gives it like a crunchy, like it gives it more of a better flavor. In my opinion, it does. And I think it makes the food that's on the taco taste better. So I'm not a flour tortilla person. I used to eat flour tortillas all the time when I was back in my early 30s, late 20s. It's all I ever ate. I didn't really even know how to make tacos very well. But when I got into my mid 30s, I started looking up different recipes and how to cook like everything in general. And one of the things was I was really interested was Mexican culture and Mexican food. And I started learning how to like make different things like tacos, enchiladas, taquitos, all that other stuff. And I learned about taking the flour tortilla and putting it on fire. And now I have a gas stove, so it makes it even better. So it just makes it like more crispy around the edges and stuff because it's on direct fire. So it's like, yeah, it tastes really good. And then I also, but right now I am really, really into, and I love on Taco Tuesdays, is deep fried tacos. I make deep fried chicken tacos or deep fried hamburger tacos. Those are my favorite. My oldest son, he loves Mexican food, like I said. I got these for him. He was ecstatic. I was shocked to see that I have 22 subscribers. My videos, one of my videos has almost 1,000 views on it. I'm gaining a lot of views on my mukbangs, and I'm shocked. Like, I'm just like really shocked people are watching me. So thank you. You guys are awesome. To the people that are new subbies and new subscribers, you guys are cool. Thank you very much. I make a lot of mukbang videos on this channel mostly. I do talk a lot about women's reproductive health on here, but I do a lot of eating videos, so it's the only way I can get away from my family. No, I'm just kidding. I just like tell my husband, I'm making a video, so don't come upstairs. Aw, man. This taco's like going all over the place. Been a bit pretty boring Christmas Eve. My family kind of got the short end of the stick this year. Just like financially, and things didn't add up right. So we had to, and we were celebrating Christmas later. And then my own parents, they got the short end of the stick this year when it came to Christmas, and they're not celebrating it at all. Oh well. Not every year is the same. That's what I tell my kids too, you know, that not every year is going to be the same. And everybody celebrates, you know, Christmas differently. Some people celebrate it early, super early. Some people celebrate it late. I know people that celebrate Christmas the day of Thanksgiving. They'll actually just have all their family come in and they celebrate it on that day. They don't even celebrate it on the actual day of Christmas. I feel like this year Christmas was very commercialized in the United States. It was very pushed. They were talking about, you know, buy this year. I think it's because it's like post-COVID. This is the first Christmas that we've had that's been normal. So I think people kind of went haywire this year. People are just kind of going crazy. They were just, you know, pushing all this crap, you know, oh, buy this, buy that, buy this. And then Black Friday was actually a whole month. It wasn't just one night. It was like Black Friday month. I really wanted the new Nicki Minaj album for Christmas. Can't afford it. Literally. I'm a huge, huge fan of her. I can't watch it. I mean, listen to it. Except the bits and pieces that they have on YouTube, but excuse me. Excuse me. I just got like a huge bite of feta cheese. And then Jennifer Lopez is coming out with her album in February. February? I can't remember if it's January or February. But she's coming out with a visual album on Amazon Prime. lemon squeeze. And I've been a fan of J-Lo since I was 16. Yeah. So it's like almost 20 years of being a fan. But I watched her come a long way. She went from like all over the place to where she's at now. Again, everybody always makes fun of me because my husband makes fun of me because I'm a J-Lo fan. And he likes Rihanna. And I don't. I'm not a fan. Whatever, everybody has their own taste, you know what I mean? It's not that I don't like her as a person, it's just her music. I'm not a fan of her music, but everybody has their own taste. Anyways, I'm done. This video was 21 minutes long. Like I said, to all those that are the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. To those that are commenting on my videos and dropping things and watching my mukbangs, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. It pushes me to make more, and I enjoy it. I enjoy making these videos and you know, chatting with people. So I hope to speak to y'all again soon.